Tropical storm Ada is now off the southwest coast of Florida, about 45 miles north-northwest of Key West. Max sustained winds 65 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 13 miles an hour. And tropical storm conditions are still occurring here across all of South Florida, even extending into parts of Central Florida, because Ada is such a large system, as we've seen over the past 24 to close to 48 hours, right? A very lopsided system, the worst of the weather at times north of the center, and we experienced that especially yesterday and through the night, and this morning it's still pretty nasty out there, dealing with strong gusty winds, heavy rain, and storm surge. So Ada is forecast to move to the southwest, become a Category 1 hurricane tomorrow likely, and then lift north here along the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and then weaken to a tropical storm as it turns a little bit more to the northeast. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, though, a lot of uncertainty regarding exactly where it will head. The center for now is forecast to be along the Big Bend as we get into late Friday into Saturday morning, but the forecast cone indicating again that it could be anywhere from parts of the Gulf Coast here, the central Gulf Coast of Florida, to even parts of the Panhandle, and certainly the impacts will be felt well out and away from the center as we've experienced. So flash flood warnings are in effect through 5 a.m. for Broward County, for places like Coral Springs and Pompano Beach and Fort Lauderdale, and also we're seeing these heavy rain bands around West End, Southwest Ranches, Pembroke Pines, as well as Hard Rock Stadium, Opelika, Miami Lakes, right now getting drenched along Bay Harbor Islands, North Miami, Miami Shores, Little Haiti, Miami Beach, Hialeah, Miami Springs, most of Miami-Dade County right now dealing with moderate to heavy rain over at Miami International Airport, Doral, as well as through parts of West Miami, Coral Gables, Sweetwater, Sunset, Kendall, Palmetto Bay, and also through parts of southern Dade County, starting to see some more rain, Kendall, Cutler Bay, Homestead, and across the Upper Keys and the Middle Keys. So here's some of the rainfall totals since yesterday. In Fort Lauderdale, we picked up more than 6 inches of rain, close to 5 inches of Pembroke Pines, as well as Pompano Beach. So yeah, it looks like the heaviest rain in Broward County, because in Miami we had close to 3 inches of rain and about an inch in Homestead. So any additional rain will continue to lead to more of that severe flooding that we're already seeing. So flood watch continues through this evening, and remember, do not drive through flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown, as your car could stall out and it can just be very dangerous. The wind has also been something that's been impacting us and leading to widespread power outages. Sustained winds 18 to 29 miles an hour, gusts as high as 36 to 37 miles an hour. So very blustery out there. And in fact, tropical storm conditions estimated to stay with us throughout the morning, as you'll notice, and possibly even into the midday and into the afternoon hours. It's not until we get into late afternoon and the evening when really most of South Florida will start to see some improvement and the winds start to settle down, as we see the wind gust potential ranging from 25 to 35 mile per hour winds all the way really through the day. It's not until we get into the evening that we'll see those wind gusts lower a little bit, 25 to 26, but there could be a few areas experiencing some gusts to 30 to 35 miles an hour. So gusty squalls, the flood risk continues. Today's a day to likely just stay inside if you can until we get into later on this evening, conditions really not improving significantly.